Without needing to take it to a technician, we can recover our cell phone when we forget what a screen lock is. This is an alternative that would give us access to our device. So, what we'll do is the following. We'll pull down the notifications. Let's see if it lets us in from here. But it's impossible for it to let us in. But we'll put it in airplane mode, and what we'll do is click here several times and make it give us an error. Let's see if it gives us an error here and gives us access. We click here, pull down the notifications, and if you see it, error here, it lets us pull down the notifications. Let's keep trying. Let's see. Let's keep trying. It gives us. So, if we see that we're doing this, then what we'll do is quickly create these errors. We'll create an error here. Press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Release them, hold them again, hold them, and we'll enter. To boot into fat boot mode. Now we'll press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously again. We'll do this until it restarts a second time. Now, we're going to press the volume down button until it takes us to the home screen. We'll wait here, and we'll hold that volume down button. We'll hold it down, don't let go. Now, when the phone vibrates, we can release it. Let's see, we can let go. We'll let our phone activate this safe mode. As you can see, now we're going to pull down the notifications. We'll go down here, and it lets us in. This has to be quick. We're going to click here, it says Apps or Applications, and we'll click here where it says Manage Applications. Now, what we're going to do here is look for the next application. We'll scroll down. And this is what's responsible for locking the device. We're going to click here and uninstall it. Then we can turn off the screen. Turn it back on, and now, to exit safe mode, press and hold the power button and the volume up button to restart your phone. Now wait for your phone to restart. Once it restarts, it will be fully recovered. That's it, it's completely ready.